Here are 5 reasons why skin might appear dull. Dead skin buildup. Accumulation of dead skin cells on the skin surface can lead to a lackluster appearance as it hinders light reflection. Dehydration. Inadequate hydration can result in dry, dull skin. Without enough moisture, the skin loses its natural radiance and appears lackluster. Lack of proper skincare. Not following a consistent skincare routine or using harsh products can disrupt the skin's natural balance, leading to dullness. Environmental factors. Exposure to pollutants, harsh weather conditions, and UV radiation without proper protection can damage the skin, causing it to look dull and tired. Poor lifestyle habits. Factors such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, unhealthy diet, lack of sleep, and high stress levels can all contribute to dull skin.